Hello little artists! Today we're doing a couple cherries. They are super cute. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna start on the left side of the paper by doing a little square, but don't close the bottom. And now from the left point of the square, we're gonna trace a circle that goes around, and it is gonna close on the right side of my square, right there. I'm gonna do the same thing now. I'm gonna leave a space in the middle, and let's do the same on the right side, a little square. And now I'm gonna grab my circle that goes around, and I'm gonna join it to the right side of that square, right there. Now let's do the sticks of the cherry. So I'm gonna do a diagonal line that goes up to the right, and now let's do one that goes up to the left, and it's gonna cross over the first line I did. And now I'm gonna do little leaves here, one little leaf on my left side and one little one on the right side. Let's just put it over here, and it's just like that there. Okay, now we're gonna continue with the legs. So for that, I'm just gonna do it two little lines. They're kind of like a one finger separate in between. And the next will be the hands. So for the hands, I'm just gonna do like half of a circle that goes in behind his body, right there. Let's do the next one. It's gonna be in behind again, kind of like a half of a circle. But the last hand, I'm just gonna do it like he's waving, kind of. So I'm just doing little fingers, and then that's it. Okay, now let's continue with the eyes. So for that, I'm doing two circles, and they're quite big circles in the middle of his face. Let's do the next cherry. Two circles. And the next thing, we're gonna do half of a circle inside of those big circles I just did. So this one is gonna be looking kind of like to us. It's gonna look like that when we fill this on black, right there. And now let's do little eyebrows, just two lines and a smile, okay? Little tiny mouth. Okay, now let's do the next eyes on the other cherry. So for that, I'm doing this cherry is gonna have eyes on the middle. And you can pick to do your eyes different like mine. You don't have to do it like I'm doing it right now, okay? Right there, little smile and two eyebrows. Okay, now let's continue with the shoes. So for that, I'm doing, I'm gonna put a little line here just for hands, so I just don't, it doesn't look like ears instead of his little hands. So I'm just gonna close it there so it just look like hands and not like ears. Okay, so next thing, the shoes. So let's do four little lines here, horizontal lines, and from there I'm gonna go down now by closing this like squares kind of thing. So that's gonna be the kind of like the socks of the shoes. And now from there, I'm just gonna go around and close it, and that's my shoes. Really easy ones here. I'm gonna do the same for the other cherry, just going around and going back to the square, and that's it. Now let's go for my favorite part. Let's color. Thanks for watching.